In 1992, we went to school in the morning. Coming back in the afternoon, a whole family of 10 people dead.
Your family?
My family. 10 dead in one day. We migrated from there, crossed Suguta Valley, all the way to a slum in a place called Loikas in Maralal town. So one, professor is telling us here, he is praying. He was a PS. He has just confirmed it himself.
No,
he was a PS.
Yeah.
He was in a decision-making capacity. He came from a volatile region. He was best placed to be telling us what he is asking us now. He was best placed to advise the president then. Tell him that what Museveni has done, I confirm that. We are very proud of what the Museveni has done. We just participated in Lokiriama Peace Accord the other day. And you can't imagine the interaction, the movement between the Turkana, Pokots, Karamoja. The area is so, you can't imagine.
You can never succeed.
But Lonyangapuo professor was there. Why didn't he tell the president to do what Museveni has done? Maybe Museveni was advised by his cabinet. Professor was in a decision-making capacity.
He did anything.
He came from that region.